Hey everyone, it's Vince here. Today we're going to find out if Clawy is actually a fun and simple way to earn prizes straight from your mobile phone. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's kick this off. This is Clawy on the Google Play Store. Now you can see here, as soon as you launch Clawy up, you are greeted to the beginners section. Here you can see all the various beginner prizes that you're able to win from Clawy. Now, the thing is guys, the more you progress throughout Clawy, the more you'll start to realize that Clawy has many different other prizes other than just plushies, which is actually great to see compared to some of these other claw machine applications I've seen on the market. What you'll start to realize though is that obviously the further you go down the list of these type of rewards, the higher of a coin amount needed to try and win them. Because it seems that Clawy runs on a premium based type of currency of in-game coins that you can purchase by using real money. At the moment, I've started off with 200 of these coins for free. Also, it seems on Clawy there is a level system, so the more you play, the more experience you earn, which allows you to unlock different categories of prizes. Because you'll notice on the right side of the screen, it states I have to play and exchange prizes to level up. You'll also notice some sort of flag system on the left side of the screen. This is actually the Clawy Club, which is the premium club, guys. You can see here once you join up, you get 1,200 coins for free, plus early access to new content, the freebie shop that's open 24/7, the monthly free shipping, exclusive prizes, and the daily free round. Underneath that, you can also find the weekly special, where if you purchase it, you get 500 gold coins, free shipping, daily free round, and it costs $6.49. Mind you, the Clawy Club costs $8.99. And that's on a per month basis, by the way. This is what happens when you try and play a claw machine game without being the appropriate level. You can see it states here that I have to reach tier 2 to unlock this prize. But this is what the claw machine actually looks like. Or at least one of them. The prize I'm trying to win is 160 coins, and it will cost me 50 coins to play the machine. And you'll notice that someone's actually playing live right now, which is actually pretty cool to watch. This is one of the things I like about these kind of claw machine online games, because you get to see people play. It even takes replays of when people win across the world, which is again super cool to see. So you can just see there the replay just showed someone actually landing one of those little prizes. There's also an arcade mode where you can play the games to try and generate coins from what I could see. You'll notice that you can win between 700 to 8,000 coins if you spend 100 coins. I've never really seen a system that has this kind of like virtual arcade setup. It's really cool. So now apparently we're watching someone play. Alright, they just hit the ball. Now apparently they won, and yes they did. There are multiple arcade games as well, which is actually very unique for me to see online. Now, of course, each of these costs different amounts of coins to be entered into. So pretty much no matter what you do on Clawy, it's going to cost you coins. And you're going to run out of those coins very quickly, in my opinion. But now we're about to see someone play the soccer game. They just have to hit that goal, and yes, they did. And because they scored, they won between 600 to 10,000 coins. But again, you have to play more to unlock different arcade games. Here you can see all the different accessories that you can get and the amount of coins that are needed to try and win them. There are just literally so many different prizes. You can even get home goods, everyone, which is like a flower pot, slippers. It just keeps going. But of course, the better things cost a lot more coins. Look at all these weird gadgets you can get, everyone. I absolutely love stuff like this, seriously. It's just a shame how you have to be such a high level to ever win anything like this. Because the truth of the matter is, unless there's a free way for us to earn these coins, I don't think too many people are ever going to actually reach that point to get a solid prize. I could easily spend 20 minutes going through these different categories, so let's move on. So, this is the area where you can buy the coins. And as you can see, for $6.50, you can get 1,500 of the coins. But you'll notice that the price just keeps on getting higher and higher and higher. It's actually insane how much money that you can spend on the Clawy application. You can even invite your friends and earn 1,000 coins. Of course, you can level up, which we spoke about earlier. When you level up, it seems you get a reward at the end of each level, by the way. Or you can watch advertisements and get rewards for free. Let me just do that now. Alright, so I've just watched the advertisement and I got 10 coins for free. So it seems I can just keep watching the ads, by the way. I guess that's a free way to generate the 10 coins. Here we go again. What's it gonna be? Let's see. Yes, another 10 free coins. Alright, so granted, at least they give you that option. Then we have the freebies area, which runs on a ticket-based system, which you get, of course, by playing the game. But you'll notice the big lock in the middle of the screen, which represents we have to be part of the Clawy Club to even access this area. Apparently for free users though, it does open up on special occasions. Lucky us, hey? There seems to be many items on the freebies area though, wow. Alright, so it's time to try and play some of these claw machines to see what I can actually win, if anything. It seems the prices were 2,000 coins, but now they've dropped down to 200. I just have to pick what plushie I want to try and win on today's video. I'm going to go with good old Pikachu. So once I've tapped on Pikachu, it's loading up the claw machine now, and you can see there's a whole claw machine filled of Pikachus. Now if we're looking at last winner, you can see someone actually managed to win one of these Pikachus. Looks like they grabbed the side of the body there. Perhaps I can use that same strategy. Bottom of the screen you can see you can tap the play button for 200 coins. There's a reaction button where spectators can use little emotes. Oh wow, someone's in front of the machine. Look at this everyone, they're filling up the Pikachus here. You can even rotate the camera as well, simply by tapping on the rotate button. Looks like someone's playing the machine at the moment. How are they gonna go here everyone? Let's watch and find out. Looks like they're grabbing the Pikachu. Oh no way. What? The person just picked up 3 Pikachu. What was that? You watch, I'll go now and I won't get anything. I've just tapped play. Okay, here we go. You have 2 moves, press and hold. Switch for cameras for better aiming. Okay, it just dropped on its own. Oh, did I get it? I got it. I got one. Okay, so on camera, I just managed to get one of the Pikachu prizes. That's very good. Alright, so this is the prize section. Apparently, I have to tap this button here. Okay, everyone, so I've just added the plushie to be sent to my home, right? But the problem is, I need to either join the Glory Club for $8.99 a month, or just do the weekly special of, it seems, a once-off purchase of $6.49 to unlock 1 week worth of free shipping and a daily free round. Plus, they give you 500 coins for free. Apparently, the free shipping's for every prize you claim, by the way, so if you win you get 1 week of free shipping for free. Now you'll notice here the little coin button. I can actually exchange my plushie for coins if I want to, but the amount of coins you get is very minuscule in my opinion. I spent 200 coins to play the claw machine game and I actually won, and in return all they want to give me back is 80 coins. Which is super low, guys. But that's exactly why I do these reviews, so you guys know what to expect when you play an application like this. So even though I was lucky enough to win my first Pikachu, which they could have made it so you always win on the first try, you never know. Without joining that premium club, I won't be able to withdraw the actual plushie and get it sent to the address. It seems me playing that one game though almost got me 50% worth of experience on my level. So I guess that's pretty cool. I wish we could join the Glory Club in a free way, but I don't think there's an option for that right now. It seems that Glory has little bonuses running through their application from time to time as well, so you might want to keep an eye out for that also. So look everyone, my opinion on Glory is that it's a fun idea and I don't doubt they will send the plushies to your house. It's just that I don't really want to spend that much money to play a claw machine game from my mobile when I could just go to the real life arcade. So is Glory for everyone? I don't think so, and I don't think too many people out there are actually going to stick through with this application. They might try it out, but when they realize they have to pay money, they'll probably uninstall it. I'd love to know your thoughts though on Glory, so don't forget to leave them in the comment section below. Please remember to hit like, subscribe, support the channel so it gets seen around the algorithm. Remember to check out my website as well and my YouTube channel. I'll see you all tomorrow for another review.